Climate change is reshaping our planet in ways we can no longer ignore. One of the most alarming consequences is the increasing frequency of wildfires and severe droughts. Just think about it. Every summer, we hear reports of raging wildfires consuming thousands of acres, devastating ecosystems, and displacing communities. These fires are not just random events. They are a direct result of rising temperatures and prolonged dry spells. As the climate warms, the conditions that fuel these wildfires become more prevalent. Higher temperatures lead to drier vegetation, creating a perfect storm for fires to ignite and spread. In fact, studies show that the number of large wildfires has more than doubled in the last few decades. This isn't just a statistic, it's a wake-up call. And then there's drought. We're witnessing longer and more intense drought periods, which put immense pressure on our water resources. In many regions, water scarcity is becoming the new normal. Crops fail, rivers dry up, and communities struggle to access clean water. It's a cycle that feeds into itself. Drought leads to wildfires, and wildfires can exacerbate drought conditions by destroying vegetation that holds moisture in the soil. This is where water management becomes crucial. We need to rethink how we use, conserve, and distribute water. Innovative strategies like rainwater harvesting, efficient irrigation systems, and sustainable landscaping can make a significant difference. We can also invest in technology that helps monitor water usage and detect leaks, ensuring that every drop counts. Moreover, community engagement is vital. Educating people about water conservation and involving them in local water management efforts can foster a sense of responsibility and urgency. When communities come together to address these challenges, the impact can be profound. We must also advocate for policies that prioritize sustainable water management. This means supporting legislation that protects our water sources, promotes conservation, and invests in infrastructure that can withstand the impacts of climate change. The reality is, we're all in this together. Climate change doesn't recognize borders or boundaries. It affects us all, and so must our response. By prioritizing water management, we can mitigate the effects of wildfires and droughts, protect our ecosystems, and ensure that future generations have access to the resources they need to thrive. It's time to take action, to be proactive rather than reactive. The choices we make today will shape the world we live in tomorrow. Let's embrace the challenge and work towards a sustainable future where water is managed wisely and our communities are resilient in the face of climate change.